Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is May-June 2025, paper 11 question. In the first question here, it is said that a ticket costs 18 and write down an expression dollars for a cost of T tickets. So we have the count given here and the price of one ticket. 18 is the price of one ticket and T is the count of these tickets. So you can see that 18 multiplied by T is 18T. So 18T becomes the total cost, $18 dollars. Now in the next simple question, a bag contains n red balls and 16 green balls. Obviously we will have to add them to find the total, right? An expression for total number of balls in the bag. So total number of balls, red plus green. So red are n, green are 16. So n plus 16 is the answer. Next is we have to write 90% in the simplest form as fractions, right? So 90% can be 90 by 100. We know that 0 cancels 0 from numerator denominator, so we can see that it is 9 by 10. So that becomes the simplest form, 9 by 10. Next is 3 by 100. We have to write it as decimal. So 3 corresponds to 1 0. There should be 2 digits in the decimal place because of 2 zeros in the denominator, and 1 corresponds that place also. 0.03 is its decimal form. Next is these are the first 4 terms of the sequence, right? Term by term rule. So see that term by term rule is 33 first term. 33 minus 7 will give us 26. 33 minus 7 gives us 26. Minus 7 gives us 19. 33 minus 7 gives us 26. Minus 7 gives us 19. Minus 7 gives us 12. So it can be written as 33. 33 minus 1 times 7. 33 minus 2 times 7. 33 minus 3 times 7. So this is term by term rule. And if we continue like this, 33 minus 1 times 7, 33 minus 2 times 7, 33 minus 3 times 7, 33 minus 4 times 7, 33 minus 5 times 7. So we can find the next 2 terms, which are these 2. So 33 minus 28 is 5 and 33 minus 35 is minus 2. So we can see that this is 33, this is 26, this is 33 minus 14, 19, 33 minus 21, 12, 33 minus 28, 5, 33 minus 35 is minus 2. So these 2 are the next 2 terms of the sequence. Next to it is 19, 23, 27, 31. We have to find 10th term. We can see that the difference between these 2 is 4. Difference between these 2 is 4. Difference between these 2 is 4. So first difference is 4. First difference is 4 and is common. First difference is common, then it is called linear sequence. Linear sequence has formula of its nth term is a1 plus n minus 1d. We just substitute values. a1 is 19 and d is 4. So this becomes 19 minus 4 and minus 4 means 15 minus 4n. So this is nth term, 15 minus 4n. Thank you so much viewers. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, keep promoting this channel, share the video, comment and the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.